Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you some secret codes which you can use on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. Let's tap on the keypad and let me show you the very first code, which is probably the most known. It is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info, and it is *###, 225, ###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. If you will be signed into to your Google account and so on, you will be able to see some family events, holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option, the best area to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you two different technical codes. Let me begin with the testing one. It is *##, 4636, ###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got some phone info, usage statistics, Wi-Fi and battery information. So let me begin with the phone info. After tapping on it, we are able to check the phone number, signal strength, data service or data network type. We can also run ping test here, and after tapping on the three dots icon, we can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back and let's check usage statistics. Here we've got simply all the apps and processes which are currently on this device. Right now they are sorted by usage time, so obviously you can check that we've been using the settings for almost 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we can change the sorting type to the last time used or app name. So obviously, for example, after picking the app name, the apps and processes will be listed alphabetically. Let's get back, let's check Wi-Fi information. Here we've got the API configuration and the status. It's up to you what you want to check. Let's check the status, let's refresh the stats, and as you can see, we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So let's get back and let's check the battery information, and as you can see here we've got whole battery info, so we can check the status, the level, scale, health, voltage, temperature or the technology. So quite technical code, let's say. So let me get back and let me show you the last code, which is also very technical. It's *##, 426, ###. And as you can see, we are in the Diagnostics. They are provided by Google here, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can tap on advanced view. Nothing happened, I know, but no worries, just tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.